Hello friends, so let's start our today's current affairs, 31st July 2020. So let's start our current affair. Who released the e-book titled Standard Treatment Guidelines for the Management of Substance Use Disorder and Behavioral Addiction? Harshvardhan. The India-Indonesia Defense Minister dialogue was held at which city? New Delhi. The Union Cabinet approved MOU between India and which country on cooperation in the field of traditional system of medicine and homeopathy? Zimbabwe. The government plans to increase the fund allocation of education sector to 6% of GDP. National Education Policy 2020 emphasized to set up which fund? Gender Inclusion Fund. The National Mission on Foundational Literacy and Numeracy will be launched by which ministry? Ministry of Human Resource Development. The central government target to achieve 50% gross enrollment ratio in higher education by 2035. Which course will be discontinued as per National Education Policy (MPhil)? Which world organization, along with Pure Earth, released the report titled "The Toxic Truth: Children's Exposure to Lead Pollution Undermines a Generation of Future Potential"? United Nations Children Fund. Narendra Modi, along with Pravind Jagannath, inaugurated the Supreme Court building of which country? Mauritius. Name the company which signed MOU with Automotive Research Association of India to jointly develop advanced biofuel application technology. Praj Industry. Which organization signed tripartite MOU with Unnat Bharat Abhiyan IIT Delhi and Vijnana Bharati Council of Scientific and Industrial Research? Which company has collaborated with FISERB Inc. For digital transformation? BOB Financial Solutions Limited. Name the India's first solar powered ferry which has won first Giz's electric boat award, Gustave Trove Award. Aditya. The first 5 of 36 Rafale fighter jet from France landed at which airbase station of Indian Air Force? Ambala AFS. The SABIC chemical plant in which country set to become the world's first large-scale chemical production plant to completely run on renewable power? Spain. Which institute developed medical bed isolation system named ASHRAE recently? Defense Institute of Advanced Technology. Great Prophet 14 is the military exercise conducted by which country? Iran. Which Indian chess player finished second in Grandmaster Triathlon tournament at 53rd BAL International Chess Festival? P. Harikrishna. Who has become seventh bowler in Test cricket history to scalp 500 wickets? Stuart Broad. Who has become number one all-rounder in latest ICC Test ranking? Ben Stokes. Wisden Trophy tournament between England and West Indies retired recently. Which trophy which will replace Wisden Trophy? Richards Botham Trophy. Rajat Bhatia, who announced retirement recently, is associated with which sport? Cricket. Somendranath Mitra, who passed away in July 2020, is the former Lok Sabha MP from which state? West Bengal. The World Day Against Trafficking in Person was observed every year on July 30. When was UN's International Day of Friendship celebrated every year? July 30. Thank you for watching my video.